Hey guys, it's me again. Tonight we're gonna draw Mr. Mime! One of the best Pokemon from the original series. Starting off from the Kanto region, all leading up to Pokemon Journeys. He's got a lot of special abilities, like his signature moves are Baton Pass, Confusion, Copycat, Dazzling Gleam, Encore, Guard Swap, Light Screen, Mimic, Pound, Power Swap, Protect, Psybeam, Psychic, Quick Guard, Recycle, Reflect, Roleplay, Safeguard, Sucker Punch, Tear Dance, and Wide Guard. There we go. Go. Oh, shit. This Pokemon has been a big assistance to Ash and Go, and became a great success to the series. I don't know when the next time we're going to see Mr. Mime again. He's always here, and he's constantly evolving. Well, Ash's crew is constantly evolving. Mr. Mime has always been part of his entourage, ever since that tournament. He has the ability to create invisible barriers. Well, invisible walls. Alrighty then. Now here's his arms. Sort of draw 4 fingers on each one of his pads. The certificate of justice. I feel like Mr. Mime should be part of Digimon as well. Go. There we are. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw Mr. Mime from Pokemon Journeys. One of my favorite fighters from the original series. And, well, his bio, he's a psychic and fairy type. The broadness of its hands may be no coincidence. Many scientists have realized his palms are enlarged specifically for pantomime. It's known for top-notch pantomime skills. It protects all sorts of attacks by emitting auras from its fingers to create walls. That's all the information on Mr. Mime. Be sure to check out my playlist. And I've got plenty more like this on the way. Good night.